Welcome to part 2 of the 2019 Tour of PA meet and greet ride here at Majestic Trails. We're going to continue right where we left off. You saw we just finished with the straight stretch. They changed some stuff around here at the park here at the beginning, so we ended up having to turn around and backtrack on the one way just a little bit. Shh, don't tell Majestic Trails. It was only for a little bit anyway, because they missed the trailhead here. But again, they changed some stuff because of some new regulations that they have on the park now. Nothing major. I'll explain more of that later on. But thanks for tuning in. Enjoy today's ride, and I will chime back in here and there later on.
Oh good, this is a blue. See, and this is supposed to be a blue, and I don't see any difference between it and the green. A little steeper back there.
I'll make you a deal. You let me sit up front the whole time, you can have the front on the way home. Okay. I tried.
Any better? Is that better, Seth?
Oh my. Keep raising up a little bit.
I didn't the front, just the back. I stiffened up a bit. Better for going faster anyway. I probably should do the front a couple clicks too. And next time we stop. I like it. It's a good, it's not real rocky like New Lost Trails, and it's not just wide open like at AOAA. They're fast, windy trails.
And again, I also really like the fact that these are one way, so you don't have to worry about oncoming traffic when you're ripping down them.
I lost the guy in the white one again. Okay, I just made the loop. Yeah, I just made a quick loop.
So this section we're entering now is something new for Majestic Trails. This is actually a quiet zone where neighbors were complaining about loud exhaust. So this section of trail you're not allowed on if your exhaust is louder than 99 decibels. And if you have aftermarket exhaust, they do test you before you hit the trails.
I think you got a winch up constantly watching the right now.
That's what?
If you had a winch on it, it'd be like constantly dirty and hard to see at it.
Oh yeah, it would. I want to get one of those nets like I have on the other.
Yeah, those are nice. Big chunks of mud and stuff out.
Yeah, like a lot of these splashes too, it does a really good job of keeping a lot of that out. Down the hill. Well, there might be some truth to what he said, because this is a blue and that was a pretty steep section there.
And what we were talking about is we asked our guy Jason how the black trails were, being there was only 2 we wanted to hit them, and he said they were pretty much just steep hill climbs that he wouldn't want to take his X4 over. However, us being us, we did end up hitting them later on. Like you'll see, we go past one that we do hit, so that's coming up here later on, probably in a different part.
Whoop. Eat a little mud. Whoop, I was gonna go straight. We better follow the path.
As long as we don't go rolling down the hill, I'm alright with whichever way you want to go. If you're gonna decide to roll down the hill, let me know beforehand.
Yeah, so you can brace. Just keep hold of that bar. much better up here too. Little loopity-loop.
Yeah, the white thing's gonna be like
Stick. Yep, he's coming. He made it. Not that steep. Wait for the other guy. Danger, danger.
This reminds me of Hatfield, definitely. Should have brought
Yeah.
you walkies.
I have two of them. They're in the camera bag.
Do you have a 4-wheel?
No, just two.
That is steep.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock her in.
I'm pretty impressed with this thing in my range right now. You haven't had it low range yet, have you?
No, we're going too fast for low.
Wow, look at that bathroom station down here. You said you wanted some hill climbing.
Yeah. Dan, jump in that.
Yeah, right. I don't know if you've ever seen one of them,
They probably, did they run this off a big belt?
Yep.
Off the
Motor over there.
Motor
and then
over
you
there.
got the idlers, and it twisted. And each one of those rods down underneath there went out through the woods. It just followed an eccentric. The bottom part didn't turn. It's like a cam.
We'll go for a spin. Just imagine this. Wow, look, here's the, look at this massive size of these belts that ran this stuff. Hey, there's the next two.
Dad on the spinning there.
That is pretty cool. Come on, Seth, muscle it, muscle it.
It's locked up. It'd be fun to have that sitting in your yard though to play with. Tear it apart and fix it.
Okay, children. Now, wait till I'm filming. Oh, I didn't adjust the front up.
Oh well.
Next time.
Hey, remember your four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I'll probably just leave it in four-wheel drive. down here. Are you humming back there? Through the puddle, splashity splash. It's clean. Nah. I think we should turn the softness back down. No. I think we're throwing mud almost up to him as much as he's throwing it back at us. But we already here once. This looks familiar. Yeah, we just kind of made a circle again. Cool. These guys were talking to, you know, him and the guy next to about not needing to go faster than 52. When I build this, that's the first thing I'm doing is getting a Weller flash and probably a JBS sheave. Get her going a little faster.
I was gonna say, whoever loses the flag.
Oh, right on my side.
I can clean it.
I got it. Quit gogging. I'm glad I didn't wear my good sweatshirt. I figured it might be a little muddy today. You think? There's something falling down. Lose our other guy. There's a couple too. Bottomed out a little bit.
That hurt a lot.
I tried to stay out of them grooves, but we slipped in. Oh no! No! Get wet! Oh, shut up! That's not too bad. I like went right down my helmet opening in my mouth though. Hey, we're back.
So we've pretty much come full circle here and checked out that whole one section of the trail. So I think this is a good spot to stop this video for today. In part 3, we'll check out some more areas here. I think we get into a little bit more mud and some deep water here coming up, as well as a little bit faster going and getting to ripping, because we end up losing each other here eventually. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out the ways you can support Appalachian Mountain Riders through my Teespring store, through Patreon for as little as $1 a month and get access to exclusive bonus footage, live streams, as well as discounts to my store. And as always, my Amazon influencer page, where all the tools, products, and accessories I've bought from Amazon and I've liked are on that page right there for each machine that I have that you guys can buy. So again, thanks for joining in with us today, and until next time, keep on riding.
Good.